Hello, hello. I had a video yesterday where I made these silver parts, these discs, and out of UV resin and some chrome mica powder. And then I connected them with this 10mm jump ring. But what I wanted to show on this video is how to make this part. And it has a nice effect. It kind of looks like a bead here using wire. Okay. So there's that. Okay, I have this already connected with, this is a 10mm jump ring from, I think it's Beetalon, the same people that make this wire. This is a 22 gauge wire. Where is that jump ring? Here it is. Oh no, it's from Bead Nova. So these are the jump rings. Wow. That I used. These are nice. I like this company, Bead Nova. I found those on Amazon. Anyway, okay. So we have a ruler here. 6 inches is what you need. Thereabouts. Doesn't have to be super accurate, but just that's what I found to be enough for this. Okay. So again, this is 22 gauge wire. Okay. Now, you take your piece that you want to put this onto. Excuse me. And you want a short end and a long end. And we just, oopsie, we just cross it over like that. All right, so you have the short end and the long end. Now I like to hold this with the flat nose plier. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bend the long piece so it is coming off of here straight. Okay. See how that looks? Now it looks like it's straight from the piece that you're attaching. Okay, now you take the short end and you kind of bend it like this. Okay, because we're gonna wrap it around right here. And you can wrap it neatly or you can wrap it just randomly around there. I like to wrap it neatly. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 times is good. And then that's how we're looking. And then just snip off the end. And then take your other tool. I'm just gently squeezing the end in, okay? So it's not sticking out. Now, this end, we're making it just would come off of here. We're making this upper part at the top in a double loop, okay? So you're going to take round nose pliers, and you see it's graduated from skinny to fat, and this is going to be the how big your loop ends up. So I'm just going to go about the middle. Okay. And I'm just going to go around. The tool and then move it up so you can keep going. Okay. Now reposition the tool and go around. Oh, sorry. And go around again. Okay. And now at this point, you want to just give it a slight, okay, you gotta hold on to this. Just bend it up a little, okay? So it looks like it's straight, you see? Now, take this piece that you've been working with and make sure it's perpendicular to the rest of it. And now you're gonna take this piece and wrap it around here, around this neck here, okay? So just take a flat nose, plier. Gently hold it. I'm not squeezing it or anything. And just wrap this end around. Now you can wrap it tightly if you want, or you can have a loose wrapping. It kind of gives like a nice effect, like it's another bead. You see? If you just do some random wraps, it looks neat. I don't know, I'm just gonna go around as many times as I want to achieve that effect. That's pretty good. Okay. Maybe one more time. All right. But I would hold it with the plier, or else it's going to get misshapen. Okay, it's getting a little wonky. All right, I'm going to cut this off, and then like I did before, I'm just going to take another plier and just kind of squeeze it gently in there so it's not sticking out. All right, and there you go. And then we'll just put our ear wire on there. You don't want to bend wire. You don't want to pull it apart. You want to give it a little twist like that. And that way you're not weakening the wire. And then put it on here. And then we'll give it a little movement back. And there you have it. Nice. There you go. That's how you can make a wire connection for earrings. You could do that for charms like these. I made these letter charms the other day, and they're really thick. They're too thick for a jump ring. So that's where you would use this wire connector on this type of thing as well. And I did one of these. I just happen to have it here. I did that same technique to connect this large, thick piece to the key ring here. Alrighty, so that, there you have it. That's how to do that. Thanks for watching.